Now, the highest price point that Solana ever got up to was in that previous bull run of 2021, where price actually got up to $259 on its bull market high. Now, fast forward to today. Guys, we have officially broken past $259. SOL is currently at $280, and if you ask me, this is going higher. Now, yes, we are in a bull market, and yes, the most probable move was, well, Solana was going to crush that previous all-time high. However, there has been a huge catalyst, a huge booster for Solana, and I'm sure that you guys have already heard about this. The President of the United States of America, Donald Trump, posted on X yesterday launching his own meme coin. Now, this is the chart of the Trump token, and since its launch to where price is currently at, it has already rallied a good 54,360%. Now, yes, I got lucky enough to be a part of a significant chunk of this move, so my spirits are very high right now. However, let's talk about why that matters. Now, Trump didn't just launch his coin. Trump launched his meme coin on the Solana blockchain. He picked Solana to launch his coin on. Well, number one, it gives Solana validation from none other than one of the most powerful people on planet Earth, which is the president himself. Number two, I believe personally that this is about to throw things out of balance. Now, Solana had one other competitor, which was none other than Ethereum. Now, Ethereum so far has been much of a laggard this bull run. It's done a good 216%, while Solana, on the other hand, this bull run has done a good 2,728%. So that should give you a bit of perspective here. And with what's happened with the meme coin launch, I believe that people with big bags of Ethereum who have been holding ETH for the long term, they might very well start questioning jumping ship. A lot of people have already jumped ship. A lot of big holders, big YouTube influencers as well, they have already jumped ship. And this was before Trump actually announced his meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Now, the third thing that this does is that I want you guys to think in terms of liquidity. How are markets going to rise ultimately, right? I believe that this meme coin launch is going to bring about a lot more liquidity, but it's not just it bringing about a lot more liquidity. It's about the fact that that liquidity is going to start entering the Solana ecosystem. For those of you in the Mango Seed program, Sean actually posted something on the Discord chat basically laying out how this liquidity push could play out on the Solana blockchain, so go ahead and check that out. There's quite a bit of alpha in there. Now, as far as Solana is concerned, what is happening here? In addition to being in a blue sky breakout, Solana has also broken out of a massive bullish reversal formation, which is none other than this massive cup and handle formation. We had the cup right here on the reversal, okay, on the bear market to bull market reversal, and then this was the handle here, essentially that consolidation from March of last year to, well, when we broke, which was November of last year. Now, if we are taking measured moves, geez Louise. Now, when I first calculated this measured move, guys, I mean, I too was in disbelief. I'm like, how? You know, how is it going to get up there? Yeah, it could. You know, everything is possible in bull markets when animal spirits take over. But how are the animal spirits even going to enter? Well, now we know how. Now, if I go ahead and plot this on the break of the pattern, where is this going to take Solana up to? Well, $5,834 per token. That is the measured move of the massive cup and handle formation that we're seeing on this chart. With the most recent events, there's going to be a lot of liquidity sloshing around on the Solana chain. All right, so which is to say that there's going to be a lot more opportunity. If you guys missed the Trump trade, that's okay. Look around, look at the charts. In fact, you're going to find a lot of great textbook TA on the meme coins as well. So don't go revenge trading charts in case you missed an opportunity. There's a lot more opportunities out there, so make sure you are locking in and catching the best trades on the chart. Now, as far as the best trade on Solana is concerned, do we buy here or do we wait on a pullback? Now, guys, if you are looking to trade Solana, however, you're still hunting for a good exchange to trade on, then definitely check out BetUnix. There's no KYC, no country restrictions, so irrespective of where you are, you can actually trade on there. And if you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 5.5K in deposit bonuses, which you can then use towards your trades as well as your trading fees. So make sure you're taking advantage of that. Now, SOL on the dashboard, guys, is rank 1. Okay, this is ranked based on trading volume. I don't think there's been a single instance throughout this entire bull market that SOL has actually topped Bitcoin as far as trading volume is concerned. Now, SOL on the dashboard longs across the board from the 4-hour time frame to the daily time frame. However, 2-day and 4-day have yet to flip. It's not going to surprise me that the 2-day and the 4-day actually flip long very, very soon, so make sure you have your eyes on that. Now, if you manage to catch any of the trades based on the Mango dashboard, of course, that is contingent on you actually having an alert set on here. For those of you who want to set alerts, just go ahead and hit that bell icon, and that's going to set an alert for you. That way, when the trend flips, you're alerted via email. Now, at the minimum, if you caught a trade on that, you're up by a good 32.59%. However, now the one thing that's telling me that Solana could have a minor pullback on the chart is the volatility profile. Volatility flashing 100 on the 4-hour time frame, 12-hour, and the daily time frame. When I see volatility expand to these high red numbers, that's when I usually look for signs of buyer exhaustion. Okay, because only when the buyers get exhausted can you really look for those pullback opportunities. Now, this is what the dashboard is telling us. However, we do not want to be trading this in isolation. What's going to make a powerful trade setup is the read on the dashboard and the technical picture aligning. Well, this is Solana on the daily time frame. It has been a rapid breakout where it has already rallied a good 54%. Now, particularly for me as a trader, I want to capture the next higher low on the chart. And so far throughout this entire rally, we've yet to get the higher low. So I say gun for that. Tomorrow we open up a brand new weekly candle. So what I'm going to be looking for is that while Solana is about to clear out a macro region of resistance coming in at 258, I want to see a tap into that region, and then likely continuation to the upside. The bid opportunity, in my opinion, is going to be on the tap. Now, I, for one, am going to be looking towards the tap of that massive region of, well, resistance, now flipped into support, coming in at 259, also the previous all-time high, going all the way down to the buy opportunity on the Mango Lifeline indicator. I'm going to be falling back on over to the Mango Lifeline indicator for my bid opportunities. Remember, the Lifeline indicator is not only going to tell you who's in control based on the candle color. If it's green, the bull's in control. If it's red, the bear's in control. But it's also going to give you your buy opportunities as well as your invalidations, telling you when you are wrong on a trade. That way, in case prices go against you, you know exactly when is it time for you to be getting out of the trade, when things are likely going to drop a little more. So it's giving me the invalidation right here at 205, which means, guys, prices should be able to come all the way down here without you getting margin called or liquidated. All right, always give yourself some breathing room, especially when volatility has picked up this much. For those of you who want the bid on the Lifeline indicator, it comes in at $238.91. So this is your bid zone right here. For those of you who want to grab the Lifeline indicator, you're going to find it on the mango.market.com/lifeline. Now, for those of you in the Trump trade, I'll say this. If we start closing more 4-hour candles over $72.75, this is making its way back up to $91. I have a stinking feeling that the market might actually try to push us up to $100 before the inauguration that happens tomorrow. That would be a sight to behold. But yes, this is the update on, well, Solana and, well, partially Trump. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, smash the likes. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.